I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve in CS2. Start by focusing on the core mechanics. Consistent crosshair placement at head level is crucial for securing quick eliminations. Dedicate time to learning essential grenade lineups, as these can open up sights or delay pushes effectively. Finally, practice your weapon's recoil patterns to ensure your sprays are accurate and controlled, especially in close-quarters combat. Next, dive deep into map knowledge and strategic play. Knowing every corner and common angle on a map gives you a significant edge in engagements. Effective communication with your teammates is vital for coordinating pushes, rotations, and information sharing. Always be ready to adapt your strategy. Observe how your opponents play and adjust your tactics to counter their strengths and exploit their weaknesses. To sharpen your individual skills, incorporate dedicated aim and movement drills into your routine. Spend at least 15 minutes daily on aim training maps to improve your flick shots and tracking. Practice various movement techniques, such as counter-strafing, to make yourself a harder target. Also, refine your peeking methods, like jiggle peeking or wide peeking, to gain information or engage safely. Finally, cultivate strong game sense by analyzing your own demos and professional matches. Understanding the economy and how to best utilize your utility each round is paramount for team success. Reviewing your gameplay helps identify areas for improvement and reinforces good habits. Remember, consistent practice and critical self-assessment are key to climbing the ranks. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.